We have a DIY Barbie Toy Story costume right here, you guys. And we call it DIY because we bought 4 separate pieces from Amazon. And I'm going to be linking everything down below in the description box to make it easy for you guys. But it's 4 pieces: the jumpsuit, it's the belt, it's the socks, and then it's the headband, and it's attached to the wig. So 4 different pieces. Let's get into the first piece. We have the jumpsuit right here. It is a 1 piece. The wifey got it for her Barbie costume, as you guys can see right there. But this is the perfect color for the Barbie Toy Story set right here. Let me go ahead and zoom in so you guys can see. That's what the shoulders are looking like. It's this like nice metallic shimmer going on right here. It's nice, stretchy. It's comfy. Go ahead, turn around. Chiquitita. You guys, it goes all the way down. Show them the bottom where your socks are at. And this is what the bottom looks like. She went ahead and took off the Barbie socks, so that's how it looks all the way at the bottom. We have the Barbie wig, and it's also a headband. This is definitely a must if you guys are trying to be Barbie. Oh, there we go. We got the thumbs up. Let me see the front again. Of course, it has this like cool little Barbie. And it says Barbie right there, and then the blonde hair. I do like it. We picked up this belt right here. It has 2 different sizes. There is the youth size and then the plus size right here. This is the youth size for my wife, and we picked the pink color because it goes with her costume. And it do have all kinds of different colors, but of course the pink goes with the Barbie theme. If you guys are looking for these cool, scrunchy, different color rainbow socks, then you're in the right place, you guys. I definitely recommend picking these up right here. Let me go ahead and stretch this out, but you guys can see that it goes all the way up, but it looks nice, scrunchy like that. And they're kind of just like slide-ons, so they just slide right on. They don't have the bottom for the feet or anything, the toes. And again, if you guys are looking for any of the pieces, go ahead and head to the description box, and I'll check you guys out in the next video.